Movable interactive reading wheels. Pinadeliver to for same-day delivery kasama ng mga flipbooks. Nag-hoard si Mami ng mga reading sets namin. Yung CVC flipbooks and Abacada flipbooks and itong tatlong reading wheels. We have here the Filipino or alpabetong Pilipino. Maganda to kasi Abacada yung matututunan nila dito. Yan o. Sobrang ganda niyan lang. Light lang siya and soft lang siya iikot-ikot. Pang kids talaga. Lahat ng items namin, mini-make sure namin na easy to use for kids, kid safe for kids. Ito naman yung CVC words, 15 sets yan ng wheels na may mga CVC ng A, short vowel A, E, I, O, U. Ayan, o, hanggang ganda, diba? Hindi yan magiging bestseller for nothing. And then, meron din kami nitong mga bago namin na sight words wheel, ayan, ang dami din yan, yung mga basic sight words, you, them, use, yan, for reading talaga, kaya collect them all, 6 na sets yan.